Happy Pancake Day, Dawn.
Happy Pancake Day, Helen.
Happy Alcohol Day, Dawn.
Yes, you get to watch it now. I can't remember the days before Helen had that camera.
No, can I? It seems. I remember more. I had a camera in my face instead of a video camera.
Yes. They were brighter days.
No.
Right.
I read an article today about the first pancake. How
Oh,
that's
yeah?
normally the
French
one that gets thrown away.
Oh,
It is, 'cause it's
I
always
thought you
No.
I thought you had the original pancake.
That would have been a good bit of
Wow,
research.
look what I've made.
Yeah. Right,
Yeah,
I think what we need
there as well.
is a production line.
Chopping
some
time.
Creative chopping. Little stars.
Little stars.
Whiskey. Looks a bit like a cornflake now.
I like that weird thing. It looks like it's got a head full of hair.
Very cool.
It's a very delicate job. It's an artist.
That's a whopper of a knife though. Look at the size of that thing.
I'm normally not trusted when I say big.
So we
It's
should
the
know.
question, what did he do?
Yeah.
Mushroom, snake. No, it's a snake. See how the first pancake looks, John. Go on, John.
I've never done a flip before.
Go on. Yay!
Tragedy.
That's not bad for the first one though. Oh.
None of the rest are getting flipped.
You can eat that with Helen.
Yeah, that's Helen's
This is Helen's flipped pancake.
Might go for a triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate.
Yeah.
Triple chop.
Yeah.
I don't like good pancakes.
Yeah, he's just like a end of chocolate.
Oh, wow.
You enjoying your pancake, Dawn?
Is it really good?
I'm getting the two games
Whose go is it?
confused
My go?
now.
No, it's Helen's. I couldn't pick up, so I picked one up.
No.
And then I.
No, it's John's go.
No, surely
It is my
It's
go.
going that way.
No, because it flicked round that way.
No, it didn't.
No, it is definitely my go.
Oh, okay.
That'd be weird.